was great. So they had a demonstration of what the systems exactly do. It was clear to me at this point that they were the right people for us.
And here we are at Jota's Advanced Engineering unit. We've got loads of machines here. And Ryan, you're making some amazing components from big kind of aluminium housings to wishbones to loads of other components. It must be like a playground for an engineer to be working here.
Yeah, completely. Yeah, the staff, as you say, we do make some interesting components, wishbones, housings, rotors, all sorts of motorsport requirements.
Yeah, perfect. And this is like in high volumes, low volumes. But apart from it being a fun place, or an interesting place to work, how do you make sure, I mean, it needs to be a safe place to work as well.
Yeah, completely. Again, recently we've just invested in Filtermist systems for all our machines. As our business has expanded and we've added more machines into our workshop, keeping control of the environment for our staff is super important. We've actually, with our purchase, we had every machine instantly fitted with Filtermist, not leaving one out.
Yeah, perfect. So Filtermist is what does it actually do in the machinery that keeps it safe?
Yeah, so the Filtermist system, it extracts any vapor that we've got in the machine. So I imagine you've been in machine shops where you've seen a smoky environment through coolant tools and high RPM cutting, where the Filtermist system, it will get rid of all that vapor and takes that out of the machine, making it a safe place for the employees to work around.
Yeah, and especially in a motorsport manufacturing environment, you're doing a lot of aluminiums, well, some steels will be dry, but most aluminiums will be cut wet.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of that mist, right?
Yeah, exactly. The high RPMs on the aluminium generate a hell of a lot of mist. Yeah, and the filter system, since we've had them installed, is really doing a good job of taking care of the environment for us.
Brilliant. I guess gives you peace of mind. The operators are going to be healthier, at least hopefully healthier with the system installed.
Yeah, and completely. I mean, our staff, it's our business, our team. We've got to look after our staff and make sure we're doing the very best for them in that environment.
Brilliant. And how did you hear about Filtermist as a provider of these systems?
So, funny you should say that. So Haas, our machine tool supplier, actually recommended us to Filtermist, and we had Filtermist come in and review our machines, give us an overview of the systems. We were still a little cautious on whether they were the right person to go with, but I do the trade show, the Southern Manufacturing, every year, and we happen to have Filtermist a couple of booths away from us. On their stand, it was great. So they had a demonstration of what the systems exactly do. It was clear to me at this point that they were the right people for us.
Yeah. But obviously, when you get one of these installed, each one of them, I guess, will have to be installed on your machine tool. And I guess it'll mean the machine tool has to be down for that period of installation.
Yeah, so again, this is a really good fact. So the Filtermist team actually catered to our needs and worked at the weekend to do the install to minimise our downtime and make sure that we are still delivering our product on time.
Yeah. Yeah, and once it's been installed, I guess an installation engineer's come in, checks it's working on the day, but what if these have been in use for a year, for 2 years? How is it still working?
About 6 months now we've had the system. I can give nothing but a positive feedback, really. We have them serviced every 6 months. We also have a panel on the machine. The systems themselves actually have an F monitor on the machine, and this gives indication to the operators on the machine to exactly how the system is performing.